Hi, I'm Darcy from Lumos Learning. I'll show how you can develop skilled readers who also excel on state assessments powered by the Lumos Fluent Reader, an industry-first reading program with conversational artificial intelligence. Reading comprehension skills combines listening, speaking, and writing for greater success. In essence, the better you think, the better you speak, the better you write, the better you read. Conversely, students with underdeveloped reading comprehension skills pay little attention to understanding the text, affecting their overall reading ability. That's why we built Lumos Fluent Reader. Designed by expert educators, it's a robust online reading skill improvement program that combines research-based pre-reading activities and AI-powered guided practice to improve your students' comprehension skills and become active, successful readers. Like a teacher, it provides interactive voice and visual aid to motivate and engage students, helping them complete various pre-reading activities independently in an empathetic environment. The pre-reading activities included in the program are designed to give students structure, guidance, and background knowledge before they begin exploring a new text, resulting in improved student motivation. The program's unique learning cycle framework empowers you to identify students' current reading levels with a robust, adaptive diagnostic test, assign engaging activities to help students learn comprehension strategies, facilitate self-paced guided practice with a conversational bot that helps every student complete engaging pre-reading activities and practice critical standards in English language arts. Allow rigorous standards-aligned practice utilizing various genres including classics, stories, folk tales, poetry, fables, and more. Let your students demonstrate their understanding of the texts they're reading, powered by an interactive comprehension quiz that includes recall and retell. Focus on your reading instruction while saving time with automated remediation and grading. Track students' mastery of focus skills aligned to state-specific learning standards and deliver targeted instructions. So, what are you waiting for? Give us 15 minutes and we will show how you can improve your students' reading comprehension skills and enhance their reading performance levels on the state assessments.